around downtown, even though police had advised them not to be.
Whoa.
Now tonight with the curfew,
that's in Waterloo.
no one will be allowed in the downtown area.
Oh my God.
They're trying to keep people from looting and from other businesses being already damaged. I want to show you a map of the area that is affected right now. This, hopefully we can show you a map, is the area. It is from West 6th Street to West 18th Street. And then from the
Why do people just want to go in and walk in it?
That's the area that they had mandatory evacuation.
Isn't that dangerous?
Earlier today. That is also the area that they have now a curfew with for all night tonight. Now, I just spoke with a few police officers earlier tonight. They said that they are hoping to be very strict with enforcement of this curfew because they do want to keep down on looting and other issues. They're not exactly sure how easy that's going to be to enforce because there have been so many people trying to get a glimpse of the flooding and the devastation here in downtown.
See, I'm not the only one.
Those officers I spoke with also suggested that they might make that area of the curfew larger.
Everyone wants to know, is your zipper down?
To keep the businesses safe and to keep the people
hey,
safe. However,
is your zipper
they have
down?
not yet made it larger, and they're going to see just how it goes. Like I said, it's about 9:05 on my watch. That means that the curfew here has been in effect for about 5 minutes. They said maybe they're going to give it an hour or two before they decide if they're going to make it larger. In Waterloo, Justin Foss, KCRG TV 9 News.
Thank you, Justin. Well, severe storms are now moving through western Iowa tonight.
Yep.
One of them produced a tornado that apparently has taken some lives.
Spokeswoman for Governor Chet Colbert says there has been a tornado that hit the Little Sioux Boy Scout camp. That's just north of Council Bluffs near the Harrison-Monona County line. KETV in Omaha reports at least 4 people have died, 40 others were injured. There were 100 people apparently at this Boy Scout camp. KCCI-TV in Des Moines has learned that the DOT is sending crews with chainsaws to clear a path to the camp because of so many downed trees apparently from that tornado. And
They were camping?
rescue team has been dispatched to help. That is a line of storms that was in Nebraska and the Omaha area and it has been under a tornado warning and then pushed through over that Boy Scout camp. That's just a horrible, horrible situation that's going on there. They describe it as very chaotic. They're telling parents to stay away from the area if their child is attending the Boy Scout camp.
And unfortunately, that system is moving toward us. We have all this flooding going on in eastern Iowa now, and meteorologist Joe Winters joins us. Joe, I understand you have a tornado watch now for parts of the 9 viewing area.
Do you think that's his real last name? Joe Winters.
As you can see, the county is highlighted in yellow under a tornado watch. This will be in effect until 2 a.m. As you can see, it does include Decorah, Sioux County, Fayette County, Charles City,
so many tornadoes.
Blackhawk, Butler County, Grundy County, all the way down through.
We had a horrible spring.
Wapello County, that will be in effect.
And starting of a summer.
Oh, it's fucked up. And a horrible winter.
Yeah, ice storms.
All night long. Now
But just with the snow alone, we've had one of the worst winters. It's like, what's changing about our climate?
Global warming is what I'm telling you.
They've been moving to the northeast at about
That's why do you think we're
30 miles per hour.
conserving on everything? It's because I think that it's affecting our weather pattern.
Complex moves in, we could see the possibility of tornadoes certainly in the watch area. We could see some damaging winds.
Damn, that should be coming our way.
Very, very heavy rains. Ultimately, I think this will be a heavy rain producer across eastern Iowa as the storms move our way. In fact,
Tonight?
take a look.
No.
Here you go.
How much rain can fall from these storms. We get our model run at midnight, take it through about 6 a.m. Friday. We're looking at
Oh, look at that.
about 1 to 4 inches across the viewing area, which
another
would add
3
to
to
the flooding
4.
problems that we're seeing. And because of that, we do have a flash flood watch that continues also for most of the TV9 viewing area. That flash flood watch will be in effect until midnight. The storm system itself on pinpoint futurecast moves in as we move through our overnight hours, and these showers and thunderstorms take over all of eastern Iowa. Tomorrow morning, as you can see, showers and storms, some with very heavy rains, could be some high winds. I think it moves through as we head through the early part of the afternoon, and then more redevelopment could occur late tomorrow into tomorrow night. As we
Yeah, I
see
think
a
that's
second
supposed to
round of
be.
storms move across portions of eastern Iowa. 7-day forecast also looks for that possibility of some rain Saturday and Sunday. Not good news again across eastern Iowa. All of us are dealing with flooding in one way or another.
Looks nice Friday.
Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday could be dry. As far as our river
Yeah, what are we going to do? Go out of the boat now?
Is it the lake closed?
I think they are closed.
They are? For how long? Till it's down?
In Cedar Rapids, the last report that we have from the gauge is 21.3. I would
It's kind of weird in you to be out on the lake, though, too, at the same time.
What? You can go over the spillway.
Oh, I know. You just drive right over it. It'd be insane.
I know.
It'd be dangerous.
I know.
battery. With the high winds and strong.
What if I got all the way up to, you know, where those rocks are?
Has not changed. Still expecting 24.
You know, anywhere you drive. What if it got all the way that high? You know, where it like slants down, those rocks?
Oh, the whole dam?
Yeah.
Oh, it doesn't do that.
What if it did?
There's no way.
There's no way.
It's spilling out the spillway.
Iowa, Iowa City, 26.2 feet currently. The forecast again, 30.9 feet by Wednesday. That would again be record flooding across the Iowa City area. For a complete list of all the disclosures that we have, as well as flood impacts in different communities, you can go to our website at kcrg.com and click on the Flood of 2000.